Alright, today we're going to go over how to draw Vault Boy from Fallout. That's going to be step-by-step for beginners, so let's get started, okay? First thing I do here is I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw his nose, which is like a check mark. Pull out over here, down. Going to go over here to this side and I'm going to put one of his eyes down, like so. It's just kind of like a circle dot, real simple. So like with a lot of these drawings, you want to get like the gist of it, right? You don't have to get it exactly. You're not a machine or anything like that. You want to just get, you know, like someone looks at it and they understand. So that's kind of what we're after. On this side, we're going to curve over here because he's kind of closing one eye right there as he's looking at his thumb. And over here, we're going to go the smile. Smile over here. Line over here for the cheek. So it's going to be a curve on this side for the cheek, down a bit. And out over here on the other side for the other part of the mouth. Let's go over here now. We're going to curve underneath, pull up. Go over here to this side. Curve for the front of the face, which is pretty much just a round shape. And it's going to go downward over here to the chin area. Line underneath right here for the lower lip. And we're going to pick this up on this side for this side of the face. So curve up over here. Let's get a bump for the ear. And we're going to go over here and find the back side of his head. Curve like right there for the back side of his head. Over here, the eyebrow. Line over here on that side. Over here, line over here on this side for the eyebrows. Okay, we're going to pull up for the side of the head, and we're going to have this little curl he has right there for his hairdo. And it's going to be a little wavy, maybe like 3 or 4 bumps, doesn't really matter again how much. And we're going to wave it over here. It's going to have this we should get right, curve over here, kind of where the hairline is. Pulling in, line down. Going to continue finding the top of his head over here, and it's going to curve at the top. And it's going to be a little bumpy. Right? Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answer them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head. And that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, you know, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it. Right here at the top of the hair. Like so. Far side of the hair over here. And now we're going to find lines. So right here along his sideburns, they're going to be represented by lines that are getting smaller as they go down. Like this kind of fade almost. Okay, we're going to go over here to the bottom of the neck. Curve underneath there. A little bit of a, like that's, it's just like a small portion of the neck there. Go over here for the collar, curve. Over here on this side. Out. Right there for the hand. He's going to go all the way down the elbow over here. pull in. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you did like Fallout or you like the way I'm teaching here. Just absolutely hit that like. Really helps the channel out, really helps the algorithm out. I really appreciate it. All right, so now we're going to go back in here. We're going to curve in here for the rest of the collar around there. And he's going to have that's kind of the design of the collar, really. And it's going to go in, and it's going to pull down. Over here, pull down. Over here in this area, curve in, right there for the shoulder there. Out over here, curve, pulling up. Right there. So now you have the arm. The arm is like a tube. It's kind of something to remember. Any appendage like that, you want to think of it as a tube first. Go over here now, kind of like under his armpit. And we're going to pull down right there like he has his hand on his waist. So we're going to curve over here for the hand itself. Pulling up over here for the thumb. Not thumb, sorry, finger. And then curve down. It's going to fold in on itself. Very simple, right? Curve around for the design. Curve over there. And around this side, pull down. Pull down here. Let's go over here, this side over here. Curve. Out over here. Out. Right there. So he's holding his arm out. Remember, think of his arm like a tube. Pulling in right there. See? Very tube-like arm. And now let's go over here to the thumb, which is probably like it's easy, but right there, one bump for basically the fat pad where the thumb is. Curve over here for the other side of the hand. Pulling up over here. Curve down for the thumb. Circle right there for the bottom pinky. Another circle right there. It looks like eggs stacked on each other. And another one. He's got like 3 fingers, really. He's got 4 fingers on the overall hand, but he's got 3 on that part of his hand, unlike us. And we're going to curve the thumb all the way down. Lastly, we're going to go over here, curve for the end of that wrist there, and then curve right there for the end of that, sorry, the end of the sleeve of the shirt right there. And there you go. You have a, you know, Vault Boy from Fallout. Very simple, easy. Hopefully that was to the point, and hopefully you got it. Alrighty? So say hi to me in the comments section, and share the video if you can. It really helps out. If you really liked it, share it with somebody. And I'll see you in the next one. I want you to stay here. We'll do another drawing lesson together right now, okay? Stay right there. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.